on the Fall Zone Guard robot for Team Gantt Get Enough. I will be explaining the circuit and the functions of the robot as well as the code that goes along with it. I will also show the different response I get when I change a variable. To start off, the Fall Zone Guard's main function is to detect when someone is close to an edge and alert them and others that there is someone approaching a fall hazard. The Fall Zone Guard is going to move by using their wheels, and it's going to have front wheel drive by the two wheels up front using the DC motors. Then it is going to navigate to the fall zones that may be a hazard, and it's going to get there with the help of the ultrasonic sensor to make sure it doesn't bump into things along the way. Once at a hazard zone, the ultrasonic sensor is also going to be used to detect the distance of a person from a fall hazard. If someone is near a fall hazard, then the piezo and LED light are going to flash and buzz continuously until the person is safe and away from the fall hazard. And if no one is close to the hazard, the robot will just continue to scan using the ultrasonic sensor and the camera, which will be located on top of the robot and will be spinning 180 degrees left and right with the micro servo here. And then finally, we have the 9-volt battery, which is going to be used as the main power source for this simulation. And then we have the Arduino board as well. Taking a look at the code, we can see we have our pins, naming things, organizing things here for the ultrasonic sensor, the servo motor, our motor pins for the DC motors, LED light and buzzers, and then we have our input and outputs for our ultrasonic sensor. And then we will also be receiving messages from other robots on the team, as well as sending live video feed back to the base station. For the servo motor, it is going to spin 180 degrees left and right to get that full view with the camera. And then the ultrasonic sensor is going to detect if the robot is going to run into anything, and if so, it will stop and reverse and go another way. And then the main function here is we have the LED and the piezo buzzer, which will alert when somebody is 40 inches or less near a fall hazard. And then it will send urgent fall hazard found to base station as well. If the person is safe or there is no fall hazard, then it will send a message, no hazard found, and there will be no LED or buzzer. Now to simulate this, I will go ahead and press play. As you can see, we got the message from the terrain mapper, and it started a live video feed, and we have an urgent fall hazard found because we are less than 40 inches from a fall hazard. So it is buzzing and lighting up continuously and sending that message. But if I move it away more than 40, we see it stops buzzing and it sends a no hazard found message, and our camera is continuously turning and getting a good view here. And if someone decides to get close to the edge again, it will buzz once more.